Here I am, hello. Quite depressed again. Alrighty, so this is the best setting powders and things like that. I'm going to keep them in my nasty little Asda bag here. All this high-end stuff in these Jippo bags. Alright, so let's do first one, Laura Mercier. Iconic, beautiful, amazing. Oh, it's so good. It is one of the best of the best. I'm just picking them randomly. Again, Laura Mercier. I liked this a lot when I first got it. Not so fond now, but I'm adding it in here because it's an option for those with normal to slightly dry skin. For those of us with oily skins, the pressed version just does not cut it. Also, the Laura Mercier one, they do them in different colors and some with illumination. So like this one, which is Honey Star. So there's lots of variations here. I love this one. NARS. This is their crystal translucent. They do this in a pressed, which is my holy grail of stuff, but it's beautiful, it's beautiful. RCMA, so forget everything else, just go with RCMA. The original, no color powder. I love this case, by the way. There's like 1,000 grams of product in here. It's absolutely bloody gigantic. Oh, this is lovely by Hourglass. It's a little bit too radiant for me, so you can't really apply this all over the face unless you want to look like you've got mental health issues. But other than that, it's really good for sort of the outside perimeters. So this is nice, but they're a little bit heavy, but they are beautiful. So Westman Atelier, I think this was about £4,000 or £5,000, so expensive, but beautiful, but just like, you know, you're taking the piss, lady. Easy Bake by Huda Beauty. And I'm all for high end, but come on. She just, you know, Westman Atelier, and I love the brand. And honestly, I love the brand, but she just released a pair of socks for like $125. A pair of socks. Socks. Anyway, Easy Bake is great. For pressed powder, it's really, really good. Get a little sponge in here. It's very, very nice. So Huda again, this is their loose version, so their baking powder, but it's really good. It really is various shades and colors. You'll be happy. Pretty, gorgeous, radiant light, ambient lighting powders by Hourglass. Again, a little too much for me all over, but on the outside perimeters, it's very pretty. Oh, that's a concealer. Stupid boy. Just done Easy Bake. Oh, a couple of Charlotte Tilbury here. So obviously the first one is the lovely Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And it really is beautiful. It's a beautiful one. It is a powder. It's got a bit more emollients in it. For those with ultra fair skin, you've also got the Airbrush Brightening Flawless. It's a little gimmicky, but it can work for certain skin types. And finally, my two holy grail ones. So the first one is NARS, and this is that crystal product I spoke to you about. This is in a deeper shade, but it comes in that translucent crystal as well. I love that because it has just the right amount of mattifying ingredients and luminosity. And then this one by Mally Beauty, which you can only get, I think, on QVC. And it is basically a product that is 100% silicone. It mattifies, so there's no powder here at all. And that's my favorite products for mattifying and setting and all those kind of things of 2024. I'm getting quite fed up of doing these now. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.